Hello everyone, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video, we are going to discuss some important aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first question is, there are two circles where a radius of a smaller circle is 1/3 of the radius of the larger circle. If the area of the square is 225 square centimeter and side of the square is 5/7 of the radius of the large circle, then find sum of the circumference of both circles. The meaning of the question is, in this question there are two circles are given, one is large circle and another one is small circle. The radius of small circle is 1/3 of the radius of large circle, and we were given the area of square that is as 225 square centimeter, and that side is equal to 5/7 of the radius of large circle. We were asked to find out the circumference of both the circles. Let's dive into the solution. Let us consider the radius of the large circle is as x and the radius of small circle as x by 3 according to this condition. Next, side area of the square is 225 square centimeter, so obviously the side in measurement is 15 centimeter. According to this condition, 5/7 side is 5/7 of the radius of the large circle, so 15 equal to 5/7 into x. Therefore, x equal to 24 centimeter, which is radius of the large circle, and radius of the small circle is 7 centimeters. We are asked to find out the circumferences of both the circles, sum of the circumferences. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 21 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 7, that is equal to 132 plus 44 equal to 176. Option C is the correct answer. Instead of doing all these things, we can verify with 11 multiple, because in the question we were asked to find out the circumference. Circumference means 2 into pi into r. Pi means 22 by 7. 22 is 11 multiple. So we can simply verify for the 11 multiple. There is only one option which is 11 multiple among the options, that is 176. Moving to the second question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 4 and the denominator is increased by 9, the resultant fraction is 2 by 3. But when we add 3 to the numerator, it becomes equal to the denominator. What is the original fraction? Here the meaning is, when the numerator is increased by 4 and the denominator is increased by 9, the fraction becomes 2 by 3. If numerator is added with 3, that is numerator is added with 3, it becomes equalized with the denominator. We were asked to find out the original fraction. So x plus 4 by y by 9 equal to 2 by 3. And the second condition, when numerator is added with 3, it becomes equalized with the denominator. So x plus 3 equal to y. Here x is the numerator and y is the denominator. After doing the cross multiplication, we get 3 into x plus 4, 3 of x plus 4, that is equal to 3x plus 12, and 2 of y plus 9, that is 2y plus 18. We will substitute y equal to x plus 3 in this expression. That is, we get 3x plus 12 is equal to 2x plus 24. Therefore, x equal to 12, y equal to 15. Numerator is 12, denominator is 15. 12 by 15 is 4 by 5. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the third question. 40 men can complete a piece of work in 18 days. After 12 days from the start of the work, some men left. If the remaining work was completed by remaining men in 12 days, then how many men left after 12 days from the start of the work? It is given that 40 men can complete a work in 18 days. After 12 days, some men left. Let us consider as x men left. Then the remaining work was completed by the remaining men in 12 days. We were asked to find out how many men left after the completion of 12 days from the start of the work. So in the left hand side we will take the completed work, and the right hand side we will take the remaining work. So here we have to follow the M1 D1 formula. So M1 is 40 and D1 is 18. In the same way, for 12 days 40 men have worked. After 12 days, certain men went away, that is x men went away. That's why 40 minus x into, it was completed, the remaining work was completed in 12 days. So that's why into 12. I hope you understood this expression. Now in all the three terms we have 12. So we'll cancel 12. 12 ones, 12 ones, 12 60 is a 72. 18 4 is a 72. That becomes, it becomes 720. 12 60 is 720. Therefore 20 equal to 40 minus x equal to 20. Option C is the correct answer. Moving to the fourth question. An equal amount of money is lent at 10% per annum for 5 years and 8 years simple interest. The difference in the interest is 3000 rupees. Find the total amount lent. So some certain X amount of money was lent at 10% rate of interest for 5 years. So it becomes, that is simple interest, it becomes 50x by 100. And the same amount of money, another X money was lent for 8 years at 10% rate of interest. It becomes 80x by 100. It is clearly given that 80x by 100 minus 50x by 100 is equal to 3000 rupees. So 30x by 100 is equal to 3000, x equal to 10,000 rupees. Here many of the aspirants think that 10,000 is the answer, but here 10,000 is not the answer, 20,000 is correct. Why? Because in this question 2 times the X amount of money was lent. So we were asked to find out the total amount lent. That means X plus X is equal to 20,000 rupees. Option B is the correct answer. Last and final question, fifth one. There are two numbers such that the sum of twice the first number and thrice the second number is 180, and if the sum of thrice the first number and twice the second number is 150, then which is a larger number? It's a simple question. 2x plus 3y equal to 180 and 3x plus 2y equal to 150. This is the entire meaning of the question. So here we should cancel at least one of these variables, either x or y. So in order to get cancel, we have to multiply the first expression with the 3 and second expression with the 2. It becomes 6x plus 9y equal to 540, 6x plus 4y equal to 300. Here after subtraction, we will get 6x get cancelled, 9y minus 4y equal to 5y, and 540 minus 300 is equal to 240, therefore y equal to 48. Now substitute this 48 over here. It becomes any of the expressions you can substitute. 3x plus 2 into 48, that is 96. 3x plus 96 is equal to 150. Therefore x equal to 54 by 3. 150 minus 96 is 54. So x equal to 54 by 3, x equal to 18. Among these two values, which is the larger value? Obviously the y value is larger, 48. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you understood all the problems and solutions. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.